Assalamualaikum warahmatallahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 6. Let me introduce our group member. My name is Muhammad FAIZAL Ramadan. The second is RATNA ANNISA. The third, ALIFAH HAIRANI. And the last one is AZELLAH FITRI. Our group member will explain about table test specification. Before we start, let us explain about definition of table test specification will be explained by AZELLAH FITRI. AZELLAH FITRI, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. So, as we know, the task specifications is created before we construct each task item. One of the purposes of making a task specifications is to ensure that the task items that we create meet the content validity criteria. So, back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Azila Fitri. Okay, next, we talk about table test specification. Event and activities. The first, gaining information from textbooks. A, reading for plot and topic. B, searching for specific items of information. C, understanding description. And the last one, understanding expression. The models is reading all of reading. The channels from textbooks. The topic area about introduction myself, introduction others, introduction letter, or family tree. Suitable test tags or formats about identify the details. My idea of introduction myself, introducing others, introduction letter, and family tree through the dialogue, scanning, skimming, and multiple choice. Okay, next slide. Okay, the next event activities will be explained by Ratna Anissa. Ratna Anissa, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Now I'll explain specification, event, and activities number 2. So, event activities number 2 is gaining information from non-book media. Number 1 is point A is following for GIS, TV, audio, and video with models listening, and then understanding the description with models listening, and appreciating words of the audio and the video with models listening, and then discussions, character, and personality with model listening and speaking. And then for the channels is radio, TV, and YouTube. For the topic area is congratulation and compliment. And then suitable tasks or formats is to identify main and supporting topic, get specific information, match information item, identity, character, and personality, and multiple choice, search answer, matching, and true or false. Okay, thank you. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Ratna Anissa, for the great explanation. The next, the event activities number 3 will be explained by Azila Fitri. Azila Fitri, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. So, the next is corresponding with writers of English. So for the event and activities, there's writing personal letter, finding out the main idea of the letter, understanding the details of the letter, relating the audio to written messages. So for the models, if it is writing personal letters, we use writing and reading, and then finding out the main idea of the letter, we use writing and reading too, and then understanding the details of the letter, we use writing and reading also, and relating the audio to written messages, we use writing, reading, listening, and speaking. For the channels, we use face-to-face and audio. For the topic area, we use holiday plan, asking and giving information. For the suitable tasks or formats, identify the main idea and details of the holiday plan letter, asking and giving information or writing tasks.
And for the events and activities, we use listening to the descriptive text, finding out the description of the text, and writing personal descriptive text. So in this section, we use the L plus S. It means we use the listening and speaking skills, and then for the finding of the description text, we use 4 skills: LS, L plus S plus R plus W, which mean listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. We combine it for the second activities. And for the last one is writing, we use the writing one. And then we also have face-to-face and print for some finding out the description text. And for the audio, we use to listening to the descriptive text. And then the topic area is we use descriptive text, tourist attraction, or historical buildings. And suitable test formats: identify the tourist attraction or historical building, and finding out the main idea and description of the text to text. And for the language function, we know that acknowledge, create, thanks, congratulate, explain, clarify. And as you can see from this PowerPoint, there is attitudes: formal, informal, friendly, unfriendly, respectful, and disrespectful. So that's all for my explanation. Thank you.
We are sorry for the mistake. Let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.